So what we're saying is quicker, these or this. We've got a double socket there and a double socket up here for a TV. So let's see which one's quicker. Let's do this one first. Right, so I want to get this. I'm going to bend it on the inside. So then I can have a 35mm box on there. Put this together. Get it in there. Right length. Let's go right on there. Whoa, it's tight, but right, and I'm going to shove a screw in to hold it. Let's just hold it in that position. There we go. Right, so that is up there. Now I need some screws to hold it in. Right, so then this, I'm going to get it in there. Stupid thing. Right. That. Bit wonky, there we go. There, there. And hold that in position and get right back ish. Right, and that's quite tight in there. We'll get a couple more screws. Ain't going nowhere. Oh, that's wonky. And I broke the screw. Oh well. Let's get that in there. In there. Get a box. Put the screws. I'll be right up here. Look at that. They should line up perfect. I think I need different screws for this. Ah, that's right. So there we go, that one's in. Now let's try it with a noggin. Right, this bit's got to be spare. It's got a nail hanging out of it. I don't care. So then let's get this. I want to go to about there. So I just need to trim a little bit off. And this works. Yep. There we go, a bit off of there. Put some screws on here so I can get it straight in. They're going to go through, yep. That's the bottom of the box. Wants to be right in there for a 35mm box. Screws missed it. Stupid thing. That in there. It's in there. I just want it to be nice and secure. Let's get another screw in this end That's at the top. Wood's a bit split, but then we get the box. And here, a couple of screws. There, beautiful. Get that in there. There we go. So what was the time difference?